Your love is the best. Cause all we wanna do is put this dick in you. Girl, I must confess, cause your love is the best. All we wanna do is put this up in you.
When I first saw you, I couldn't stop watching you, couldn't stop thinking about how I should be knocking you. All I wanna do is holler at you later, handle my business. You know I'm a player, I never been a hater, I shouldn't be faulting you. But you got me laughing at the nigga that you talking to. I guess you like squares, what's up for the night? Like Tupac said, you need a thug in your life. A nigga like me, I beat that pussy up, have you at the house doing all kind of freaky stuff. Ain't nothing new to me, what you wanna do to me? I know you ain't no groupie, giving up the coochie, but I got deep in your drawers anyway. I get it again, if I want it any day. I got that game from the coast out west. Your pussy's the best, I must confess.
Girl, I must confess, cause your love is the best. Cause all we wanna do is put this dick in you. Girl, I must confess, cause your love is the best. Cause all we wanna do is put this up in you.
I can't sleep at night, you always keep me up. Sucking on my dick, let me deep in them guts.
What's going on, ScrewTube? I know you're probably a little surprised to hear my voice, because I did vow that I would never share my voice with ScrewTube in a new video again. And while that rule of my law still stands, there are exceptions to any rule. The reason why I'm recording this with my voice is because I'm having some trouble, as you will if you are a content creator who has been marked on ScrewTube with some individuals claiming copyright infringement who do not own the rights, or I'm pretty sure they don't own the rights to the video that they are claiming infringement on. I'm not too sure how many of you brothers are familiar with a channel that goes by the name of Johnny Rambo, but it's some Negro who stole his screen name off of a viral movie. Of course, we know Sylvester Stallone's iconic Rambo character, and he also goes around stealing, well, not stealing, just doing what I do, doing what everybody does, taking viral videos spread out across social media on the public domain and marking them somehow as his own. Now, I don't know how the fuck this person is claiming copyright infringement, but any of those of you who recall, I did two videos that centered around this viral video of this hood rat cop. Wasn't too long ago. This light-skinned Corinne Gaines looking heifer that was in police uniform with her body cam, and she was talking and acting like a ratchet thought in some online social media comedy skit. And what I did was I did a hard-hitting commentary on that on, I believe, FS Avenger and BitChute. And then to promote that commentary video, what is customary for me now, I re-uploaded the exact video here on YouTube with a link to my commentary in the description box. You guys know I've been doing that for a few months now, since I vowed not to put my shit, not even for promotional purposes, not to put my voice on YouTube anymore. But some idiot is claiming copyright infringement even though he's not the original creator or uploader of the video, because we know that because it's a light-skinned female that's recording the fucking video. And when I did some research to see who the fuck this was claiming copyright, it's some asshat that has several social media accounts across Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Looks like an amateur. If any of you brothers can find out anything, I'd truly be appreciative. But this asshat, some Pookie and Ray Ray looking Negro, he's basically going around taking viral videos off of social media and claiming them by putting, in some cases he puts a Johnny Rambo digital stamp on the videos, claiming them as his own. Now that means one or two things, and I'm not completely knowledgeable about this, but either he is the original uploader and content creator of the videos, which he's not, because there's no way he could possibly have all these viral videos of different people doing different things, or he is possibly buying, him or his company, or whatever company represents him is buying the rights to these videos, which nonetheless are in public domain. Or 3, he is stealing other people's videos and claiming them as his own, and he thinks he has some type of a right to do that. Nonetheless, the reason why I'm bringing all this up is because the original intention for this promotional video that you're listening to now, that's intended to promote my nearly 2-hour long commentary on the Chrislyn Cunterson Kevin Samuels debacle, which occurred about a week ago, was to upload the intro part to that commentary, which is now available on FS Avenger. You can click the link down in the description box, as well as the pinned post. But because the intro included copyrighted content of Chrislyn Cunterson, Angel Ramirez, and other individuals, even though I do what I do, it's heavily edited. It's my creation, under federal fair use policy. I didn't want to run into any extra trouble with somebody claiming copyright infringement, because I now currently have a strike for that hood rat police officer video, which I am, even knowing this is YouTube and knowing that they possibly had a hand in this, I'm appealing. I'm filing a counterclaim, which could have legal ramifications unlike community guidelines. I'm filing a counterclaim because I want proof that this idiot owns this video, originally created and uploaded this video, or has the exclusive permission to host this video. Otherwise, I'm gonna request that YouTube reinstate those videos. So anyway, longer story short, yeah, I'm gonna kind of be stepping lightly, because you're really if you're a controversial content creator, you're really a damned if you do, damned if you don't individual. Not only on ScrewTube, but Facebook, Instagram, anywhere where these SJW asshats run things. So if I give my commentary on here, I get attacked. If I use, other people's material to promote my content to keep my voice off of here, I'm screwed, and other than just showing you guys a picture and telling you to click the link, and I'm screwed if I do that, because YouTube will say, which they have in the past, that you're trying to influence people to go to other websites. So, and because I can't get enough numbskulls to, go to FS Avenger and my other alternate platforms without me having to hold them by the little hand and tell them to click the fucking link, what content creator wants to create fucking a video that's like 2 hours long and only get 200 views? So, it's kind of a fuckered situation. But anyway, gonna try to keep it brief. If you want to hear what I have to say on the Kevin Samuels, Crystalline Cunterson situation, which took place somewhere between a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, the link is down in the description box, as well as the pinned post. So yeah, that's available. I don't want to say too much here because I know ScrewTube is already shadow banning me. That's obvious. Anybody who's been watching my content long enough knows I'm being shadow banned. This is no secret. I literally dropped from averaging about 1,000 views per video every 24 to 48 hours to barely being able to make 500 views in 24 to 48 hours. So I am being shadow banned. But on a lighter note, before I close out this video, and I'm going to be making a community post about this as well, I just want to thank all of you, the few of you who are loyal watchers of my and other people's content on FS Avenger. I have become the first FS Avenger content creator to reach and surpass 100,000 views on a video. It was my video about that Bria Miles bimbo that I posted over 2 years ago. Took 2 years, but still 100,000 views on FS Avenger proves that black men can do anything, even when they're running their own shit, especially when they're running their own shit. And if I can reach 100,000 views on FS Avenger, then that means we can reach 1 million views. That means other people can reach 100,000 views. So thank you guys. That is definitely a milestone. If nobody else is going to make note of it, I'm going to make note of it. 100,000 views. First one to come even close to doing that. I was one of the very first uploaders. As a matter of fact, I know it's hard for a lot of people to remember, I was the, mental architect of black male media, although it took our very good friend, the Black Avenger, to put the muscle and financial resources and expertise behind the project. I was the first one to, just suggest that notion that black men should have their own social media. And, while we're not as huge as YouTube or even BitChute, we are known. And we know we're known because there are knuckleheads fucking with us as we speak. Some of you may have heard recently what happened on FS Avenger. If you haven't, I'm going to be addressing that in a special edition video that's going to be titled Dear Zoo Animal. I'm not going to say the zoo animal because we're here on YouTube, but it's going to be a blockbuster. So thank you guys for 100,000 views. There are some huge projects that I have waiting in queue, going through the end of this month, closing out summer. My blockbusters are coming down the pipe. Not gonna tell you what the rest of them are besides Dear Zoo Animal. But yeah, get ready for fireworks. And again, I know I haven't, this was supposed to be about promoting Kevin Samuels, but there's just so much shit going on as usual. If you want to hear my commentary on this hilarious situation about Crystalline Curzon calling into the Kevin Samuels show and donating to Kevin Samuels, and the controversy that's raised with the girl who swirls infiltrating blackmail spaces and donating to blackmail content creators who talk down on the Black Queen, click that link in that description box in that pinned post. Thank you so much for taking your time out to listen to me here, guys. Hopefully I won't have to do this again. I'm trying to figure out the right medium to promote my content here on ScrewTube. You know, I may very well lose this channel. I'll almost be relieved when it does fucking happen. But you know, it really helps when you guys go to FS Avenger yourself and watch content without me having to promote it here. They're content creators, black content creators on YouTube, on FS Avenger, that only get 1 view per video per day. And that's because they're not promoting their shit. But the fact is, they shouldn't have to. That should be the primary place. You know, and I'm gonna close with this. I had a dumbass dude that I can't even call him a brother anymore. And, you know, this may confuse some of you, but he used to make a $40 donation to me like every month. And I appreciated that. But what I didn't appreciate, and the reason why we fell out, was because this Negro told me that going to FS Avenger back when it was Black Avenger was inconvenient for him. So it was more convenient for him to pay me $40 a month than it was to support blackmail media, where black men can have their own free voice without having to worry about being censored. I told him in so many words, you can keep your fucking $40. Don't send me another dime. And he didn't. That's just how serious I am about promoting blackmail media. So you guys go on over there and enjoy my nearly 2-hour special, which includes an old part of an old video docu-commentary that I did about the girl who swings. I'm sorry, the what she calls herself, the girl who swirls. Pun intended. Thanks so much for listening, and talk to you later, guys.
'Cause all we wanna do is put this dick in you. Girl, I must confess, 'cause your love is the best. 'Cause all we wanna do is put this up in you.
I can't sleep at night, you always keep me up. Sucking on my dick, let me deep in them guts. I can't stop fucking you, running all up in you. I know you got a nigga, but you still know what to do. You never hold back, never act shy, make it look so good, I never close my eyes. I like the way your titties shake when you ride me. You take it out, lick it and say, put it back inside me. And that's what I'ma do, bitch, give you this true dick.